Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I'm creating an intelligent agent to run and remind my students that they need to go take their semester exam. So under Tools, you go to Course Admin, you go to Intelligent Agent, and you select New. So come up with just an agent name. I don't think the kids see this one. They see there is a subject line down below. You want to make sure that it should automatically say the agent is enabled, but you want to make sure it does say the agent is enabled, all users. And then the conditions is where you're going to create to put who this will go to. I am going to put I have a group, which I think everybody should. The kids that took the exam. So I select that group. And then I also created another conditional release for if they did not receive a grade for their semester exam. So I want it to meet all of the conditions. I want them to be in that group and to not have gotten a grade yet for their test because I have not put in zeros yet, so I can adjust that later on today when I put in zeros for those kids that have not taken it, so I can send this out again once I put those zeros in so they can see where they're at. Now I will say the release conditions is where I've had my only issues with intelligent agents, because what this is supposed to do, this is supposed to automatically update, so as a kid takes their test, it's going to eliminate them from reminder email, because we're setting up a schedule with it so that it can email them today and tomorrow and the next day to continually remind them to go take their test. And it's supposed to update as they take it. It pulls a new population of kids to email. So I'll show you how I check that later on, because I've found that when it isn't updating, I just come and delete the conditions and add them back in, and then it works again. So it's kind of a pain, but So we're going to do this repeatedly, so I'm going to click on this take action every time the agent is evaluated so that it will send in an email on a schedule for the next couple of days, and it will send an email when they meet that criteria. So for the 2, we're going to use the braces. And then you put initiating user and close with the brace. And then I already have a message ready to send. But dear initiating user, first name with braces, that will personalize it so it goes to them, and you can just put whatever you need to in your body of your email. And then we're going to click use a schedule, and then click use a schedule. So I'm going to have it do daily every single day, and I'm going to have it start day, and then I'm going to have it end on, I think I'm just going to have it end on Wednesday. You can set this for exactly whatever you prefer. And then I'll also show you how to manually run it if you want to run it in between those times. So we will hit save and close. I think that should be it. So this is the one that I just created. Go take your semester exam now. It puts them in alphabetical order, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find your thing. So we're going to do a practice run. Click practice run. Click run. Hit done. So this little cogwheel right here is telling you that it's working on creating this list of students. And when it's done, it populates right here. You do kind of have to keep refreshing the page. So sometimes I'll go do something else and then come back to it, just depending on how long it takes me. Okay, there we go. So it has identified 107 kids that are going to be on this list. Oh. Yes. So, and you can compare your list to your grade book if you want to, or however you want to do that. Those are the kids that it's going to be sent to. So it's saying it'll run, and I don't remember what the run time is. I want to say it's a little bit later in the evening, but I'm not for sure. But I want to go ahead and run this now. So that it starts, and then it'll run again manually tonight. And it should update. So I'll probably check back in this afternoon after I've sent this email out for a couple of hours. I'll check back in and refresh it to see, like you just go back and you hit practice run again to see if this number of students, of users has changed. And so that's how I continue to check and see and make sure that it's actually updating and storing a good list. You know, I compared to the number that have taken my exam to this number and just make sure that they're adjusted. So there you go. You are welcome to email me if you have any questions, but I don't know that I will have many answers to. But I do have a help document that I can send you if you need that. Thanks.